Let me give you the hottest and most profitable Shopify niches you can start dropshipping in 2021. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know, value bombs. So it's officially 2021 and this is the first video of the year, so I thought I'd make it a good one. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best and most profitable Shopify niches that you can start dropshipping in right away in 2021. Now, if you thought this video couldn't get any better, you'd be wrong, because what I'm also going to do is show you some live examples of products that are selling on Facebook in these niches right now.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now, before I reveal what these profitable niches are for 2021, if you could do just two small things for me. First and foremost, if you could drop a like on this video, doesn't cost you anything, helps out the video, helps the channel, and of course, gives the algorithm some love. And second of all, if you could drop a comment down below, I will be replying to as many comments as I possibly can. So drop a comment down below and let me know which out of these niches you will be jumping into for 2021. And finally, if you are not subscribed to the channel, then what on earth are you doing? Make sure you smash that subscribe button with the notification bell on so that you stay up to date with all of my latest content. Okay, so the first profitable dropshipping niche that you can jump into in 2021 is home crafts. Now you may be wondering, okay, Harry, what on earth are home crafts? Don't worry, I'm going to show you throughout all of these niches is examples of people actively selling within these, so don't worry about that. But first and foremost, I just wanted to show you the Google Trends of this keyword, home crafts. We can have a look around the times of March 2020, when of course all of the lockdowns were happening. The search volume just literally exploded. That's because of course a lot of people couldn't go out, and a lot of people were spending more time at home, which naturally people get bored at home and look for new things to do. Now, one thing you can see is that it's tailed down a little bit. However, we don't know what's going to happen in 2021, and you can see that it's trending up a little bit more. And I personally reckon that this niche itself is going to, trend up over 2021, as a lot of people's lifestyles have changed due to what has gone on in the world. Now, let me show you some examples of people selling within this niche. So this is a glass pen. Okay, and to show you how it works, basically it's a really cool looking pen which you get inks. You can find this product on AliExpress, as you can see there. That's what it looks like. And you can, if you're into calligraphy, if you're an artist, and these are the sorts of people who I would be targeting in my Facebook ads. So, logo makers, people who are interested in calligraphy, artists, logo designers, maybe even graphic designers, those kind of people who I'll be targeting for a product such as this. Now, if we have a look and see the actual results from it, we can see here that it was launched in August 2020, and we can see there the results from that period of time. They've had 71,000 likes on this video, close to 6,000 comments and 21,000 shares. So definitely absolutely crushing it for these guys. This is a one product store, I believe so. I think they sell a different version. I'm not entirely sure, but feel free to check it out if you want to. But that's just one product. Now, another product, again, I'm not well versed in home crafts myself, if I'm being 100% honest, but this is basically a product whereby people can, it's like crystal diamond painting.
What?
I think it's called crystal art. It's called DIY crystal art, and that's what it looks like. That's what they do. They get these really small crystals, and everything on the picture is numbered, and you've got to put the crystals in the right place, and you end up creating this wonderful looking piece of art. This is of course just a user-generated content for these guys, so they've just got someone to create this video. It could be their mom, pop, whoever it may be. You can see here that's how it works, exactly what I was just trying to explain. Okay, now if we have a look at the results, again, this was posted on 2019, but at the time of recording this video, all of these ads were currently running. Okay, so this is obviously crushing it for these guys, and they've got 13,000 likes on this and close to 5,000 comments, and of course I can't see the shares. But if I just pause this a moment and show you the website, we can see here what they essentially look like, or what you get. It's a different painting, everything's numbered, and you can see all of these different variations and different categories that you can get the paintings in. Now, one thing about this is what I will say is if you're running a niche store like this, the reason why I like niche stores is because you can very much increase your average order value. If you're selling a product at $17, just one product at £17, sorry, which is probably about $20, then if you're selling just that at scale, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to be able to be profitable because, of course, what happens is when you scale, your costs rise, your cost per acquisition rises as well. So what you want to make sure that you are doing is that you make sure that you are increasing your average order value, whether that is using upsells, post-purchase or pre-purchase, and of course that you've got bundles in place and variants in place as well, so that you can encourage people to purchase more than one product. And that's how you're going to be able to stay profitable while selling products at these sorts of prices. Okay, now just to give you one last example here on the crafts one, we've got these crochet needles. Okay, again, I've never crocheted in my life, don't know how to do it, but we can see here that this product is doing very, very well. So basically it allows you to crochet at night, as you can see here. People who like to crochet can crochet at night. So it solves a problem, and it's a very, very specific niche and type of person who we are targeting for this product. Okay, and we can see it's got, it was launched on October, so only a matter of months ago, should I say, and it's got close to 5,000 likes. We've got 1,300 comments and we've got 2,500 shares. Okay, and if I just show you really quickly, this is the exact product. Okay, we can see here exact product that they are selling, and if you go to the website, how much are they selling it for? $40. Okay, so they're marking it up like 4x, taking, you know, if they're getting it for $11, which they're probably getting it for cheaper, but there's enough margin in this product to still run on Facebook. Okay, that's the first niche that I recommend that you guys jump into. So the second profitable niche that you can jump into for 2021 is the health niche. Now, there's things I absolutely love about this niche, and then there's things that I dislike about this niche, and I'll talk through what they are in a moment in time. But first and foremost, let me just give you some examples of people actively selling in this niche as of right now. So you can see here, this is an essential massager. That's what the brand's called, and basically it's a product that wraps around your waist, I believe, and you pump it up, and it decompresses your lumbar spine, I believe it's called, helps with muscle tightness, eases stiffness if you've got backache and those kind of things. And if you have a look at when it was launched, we've got April 2020, and you can see there the results there. We've got 67,000 likes on this product and 12,000 comments, and I can't see the shares, but no doubt there'll be a decent number as well. Now, to give you another example of a product within this niche again is this product here. It's called My Cushion. Basically, it allows you to, again, this isn't a revolutionary product, okay? This is something that I've seen on AliExpress before as well. You put it on your car seat, on your home desk seat, and it just basically, I think it helps with your spine and sitting, allows you to sit comfortably so that you don't get a dead bum or whatever you want to call it, okay? But yeah, if you have a look at the results, we've got 6,000 likes on it, we've got 2,000 comments, and we've got close to 1,600 shares on it. Now, the things I actually love about the health niche is that everyone out there, it's got massive broad appeal. Everyone out there, like it or love it, at some point has some sort of health issues.
Are you serious?
So selling a product that helps someone's health issue has massive broad scale and appeal, which allows you to scale further. And generally that's how you're able to do your 5-figure days, upwards of 10K north. Now, with that being said, there's something that I absolutely hate about selling health products. Now, the bad thing about selling health products is that they are prone to getting zucked. Now, if you don't know what zucked is, basically it's a ban in some sort, whether it be an ad account or business manager, or you basically get your ads rejected. Facebook are very, very, very particular of what you say and how you approach things when you're selling a health related product, whether it be in your ad copy, whether it be on your video creative or on your website itself. So mentioning words such as pain, stiffness, tiredness, those kind of things can very much get your stuff banned. But if you do happen to overcome those things, then selling house products can absolutely crush it. Now, the third profitable dropshipping niche that you can jump into for 2021 is customized goods. So you can see here on the screen, this is people can upload their picture and have it turned into a portrait that looks like this, okay, into a sketch portrait. Now, doing this isn't something that is extremely difficult whatsoever. I think if you just YouTube how to turn photos into a sketch effect, you can do this yourself if you wanted to, or you can outsource it out to a Fiverr designer if you wanted to. But I'm pretty sure doing this is fairly easy. We can see that this was launched on March 2020, and we've got 16,000 likes on it. We've got 1,500 comments, and we've got 2,400 shares on this. Now, to show you another example, this one's by Iconic Pour, and I think they specialize more in turning dog photos, pictures of people's pets into like royalty. So these royalty photos here. But you can see here, this one was launched in July. The results on this one aren't fantastic, but looking at their other ads, they're absolutely crushing it. And again, you can hire someone on Fiverr to do something like this. It's not difficult whatsoever. Now, you will, of course, need to do things a little bit different. There's loads of different print on demand companies that are out there. Printful is one of the biggest ones that are out there. And again, you can art, wall deco. There's all sorts of different things. You can have mugs. We can create customized art here, picture frames, and those kind of things. You can just spend ages on here creating customized products, okay? Now, one thing you will need to install on your website, however, is the ability for people to upload their pictures, or be able to type in someone's name or whatever it may be. And this is the app that I have used previously before when in my early days, I used to do a little small bit of print on demand, nothing too heavy, but this was the product customizer app that allows you to install different things on your website product page so that people can do and make all of those customizations. On to the fourth hot profitable niche that you can jump into for 2021, and that is home decor. Now, if we have a look on the screen, you'll be able to see the Google Trends again of home decor. And essentially, again, around that same kind of time, this is more kind of April time, we had a jump in search volume. And again, a lot of people have more time to spend at home, so they want to improve their household. It's natural. And again, this is going to increase, I personally suspect, for 2021. So to show you some examples, we can see we've got this product here, really cool lights, LED of a tree, and it was launched on September 2020. Do you believe in magic, etc., etc. And if we have a look at the results of this, since September time, so they caught the Q4 wind, but we've had 49, close to 50,000 likes on it, and we've got, of course, 4,700 comments and 6,000 shares. Again, to give you another example of a home decor product, we've got this here, again, launched in October, and it's those raven lamp, really unique, cool, quirky, something that you won't find on the high street, which of course draws the eye when people are searching on Facebook. We've got 28,000 likes on this, 6,000 comments and 7,000 shares. Now, with this niche as well, what tends to happen is that they have massive broad appeal. So the home decor, everyone pretty much in the world, at least in the first world countries, lives in some sort of house. Okay, so it has a massive demographic, people who from 25-year-olds all the way up to 65. So you're able to get massive scale again on those when you're using Facebook adverts. That brings me on to the fifth and final hot profitable niche that you can jump into for 2021, and that is solar lights. So showing you the Google Trends of solar lights, this is something which again is a long-term play as well, because at the end of the day, everything is going to be moving towards new renewable energy. And of course, it had a massive jump around that same kind of period that we keep on referring back to. It has dipped a little bit now, but again, I suspect that this will continue to grow as the world continues to push towards the solar and renewable energy rather than the old oil, coal kind of forms of energy, right? Give you some examples. We can see here, we've got this product here. Again, solar powered lights. This is like fireworks. So if I just show you really quickly what they look like, you can see here it's launched on July 2020, and we've got 14,000 likes, 1,000 comments and 4,000 shares. And to give you an example of another one, we've got these pineapple looking ones launched in May as well. And these ones had 14,000 likes and 4,000 shares. And it doesn't show me how many comments on it, but I'm assuming it had quite a bit of comments on it as well. Giving you one more example here of solar lights, we've got these sunlight looking solar lights. You can put them in your garden. Nice presentation. This was launched in August 2020, and we've got 8,000 likes on this one, 1,000 comments on this one, and close to 2,000 shares as well. So definitely a winning product for these guys as well. So hopefully you got some value from this video and you know which are the hottest and most profitable niches to jump into for 2021. If you did enjoy this video and have some ideas, then make sure you drop a like on this video. Doesn't cost you anything, helps out the channel, gives the algorithm some love. And second of all, if you could drop a comment down below, let me know which niche you'll be jumping into. Would it be the home decor? Would it be health? Is it going to be some of the other ones? Let me know. Drop a comment down below. If you haven't got a copy of my 100% free dropshipping ebook, then the link for that will be down below. Doesn't cost you anything, so what exactly do you have to lose? So make sure you go and click the link down below and grab yourself a copy, and I'll send it directly to your inbox. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a comment, and we can try and connect on there. But that is it for this video. Hopefully you know which of the best and profitable niches are for this year. Hopefully you crush it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.